The Bind23 Bookbinding Conference is only 2 weeks away. Here's your last chance to register for this great conference. It's being held at the beautiful University of Queensland campus, just across the road from the Fryer Special Collections Library. There's an amazing lineup of internationally known presenters, and there's some amazing workshops either side of the conference. Putting on a conference like this is expensive. One way we're raising money to fund it is by holding an auction of items donated to the conference. Schmidt has been very generous and donated 3 great items. The first is a press for applying metal corner protectors. You can always mess around with a pair of pliers and scratch up and dent the corners, or you can use a press designed for applying them. One of the things I've not liked about metal corner protectors is that they can scratch up books next to them on the shelf. This press pushes the fitting into the boards so the metal is perfectly flush with the cover material. It does an amazing job. As well as these great items from Schmidt, there are some brand new, finest quality finishing tools, books made by the famous presenters, and lots more. The next item everyone will be familiar with, the famous Schärffix leather paring machine. I demonstrate it, but it's brand spanking new, and I don't want to take away the enjoyment of the new owner of being the first one to use it. In my latest video, I've been using Merrindal hand marbled paper, and there's 20 sheets of this amazing paper also to be auctioned. The final item is a heated roller for foiling the edges of books. I think this will be a very popular item. I've been experimenting with these the last few weeks, and I'll be making a video about using them in the future. Schmidt have a good video on using the roller, and in it I noticed a great idea for a wood stand to keep the hot roller off the bench. Another tip is to use a power timer. That way, if you get distracted and leave your bench and forget the roller's been left on, the worst case is that it will stay on for an hour. To bid on these items, you have to be attending the conference. So I hope I see you there, and until next time, cheerio.